guys, welcome to Yardie Belly Kitchen. Yes, we are making some chicken wings today, and I'm starting off by washing the chicken wing really good with some distilled vinegar, white vinegar, just to remove any rawness that might exist, you know, and to just thoroughly clean the chicken wings. Yes, so let's start by doing that. Alright, so now that the chicken wings are clean, I'm just gonna go in and cut up the chicken, you know, to separate the drumlets from the flats. And I'm just finding the joints. It's pretty easy to find the joints, and once you do, you're in business. So I'm just cutting them up right now and setting the tips aside. Of course, I do eat the wing tips, don't get it twisted now. But for today's dish, I'm not going to be using the tips, but I'm able to leave them to be used either for, you know, some chicken stock or to add to any future dish, because no wastage around here. Okay. All right guys, so I'm done cutting the chicken, and now it's time to get the show on the road in terms of the seasonings. And starting off by just adding basic seasonings initially, because the big kicker is the sauce. All right, so if I failed to mention before what I'm making some garlic, ginger, honey, spicy chicken wings. Again, garlic, ginger, honey, spicy chicken wings. Alright, so yeah, so the thing said. Alright, to start off my seasoning, what I'm using is a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt. Yes, very flavorful. Alright guys, and I'm using our Moore's marinade. This is amazing to season any meat, and I'm gonna be using 2 cups full of that. Yes. Alright, and in addition to that, I'm gonna use some fresh thyme. I'm not using much fresh seasoning. Initially it's gonna be in the oven, but of course nothing beats fresh thyme. So we're using a little bit of that, a little bit of thyme. Alright, and I have some crushed pimento that I'm gonna also add to that, and a little bit of minced onion. Guys, can you believe that we are out of garlic powder? That's a first. That's a big no-no, but hey, if you have that, definitely put your garlic powder. Alright, and finally I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil. You always want to add oil to your meat when you're trying to marinate it, because it does help with the absorption of the seasonings. Yes. Alright, and so we mix them up. In addition to that, I'm going to add a little bit of paprika, just a sprinkle. And some black pepper. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover it and set it for about an hour for the seasonings to marinate properly into the wings. I mean, it's wings, it's not very hard for, you know, it to get the flavor. It's not that hard for the chicken to soak. It's not hard for the thing marinate. So guess what, 1 hour is fine. I could even do it immediately, but hey, we ain't pushing our luck today. Alright, so it looks nice. And definitely we're gonna move on to the next step, which is making the sauce. All right, so stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys, to kickstart my sauce, I am going to grate some ginger. Yes, this is about 2 inches of ginger in total that I am going to be grating. Alright, and to that I'm going to be adding 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm also grating. Alright guys, so we have the ginger and the garlic here, and I'm going to be adding some crushed red pepper. Yes, this is going to be the spice element of that dish. So I'm adding a little bit of that. I think I need to open the container. It's too full. Yeah. There you go. There you go. I'm always very reserved in terms of the amount of spice, but hey, I think that's enough. All right, so we have that, and now we're going to be adding our honey. Yes, honey. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of honey. And this, you guys, is Keys Bees Florida Keys raw honey. So it is amazing. All right, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of some mushroom soy sauce. Not too much, just a little bit. About a half teaspoon. And I like to use sesame seed oil, so I'm going to be adding a little bit. It has to be a tad bit, you guys, because it has an overbearing flavor, so you do not want to put too much. It can make or break your dish, so I'm just adding a drizzle, literally a drizzle. Yeah, I added a little bit more of the soy sauce and the honey, and I'm going to put a little bit more pepper just to, you know, be a brave heart today, because I feel like it needs to be spicy to justify the spicy in the title. Yeah, let's go big or go home with the spice today, and the hubby and the son will be happy about that because they're spice lovers, so I'm sure they will not mind at all. Alright, so we're gonna just set this aside, and we will apply this once the chicken wings are almost done baking, and yeah, it will make all the difference in the meal. Alright guys? Alright guys, it's time for me to put the wings in the oven now, so let's go over. And I'm using actually the toaster oven, guys, so the conventional oven it is. Let's go. Okay guys, so it has been 30 minutes since the chicken wings have been in the oven, and they're pretty much done baking. So what I'm gonna do now is add my spicy garlic ginger honey sauce now, and then we're gonna put it back in the oven for maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're done. All right, so I'm just scooping it all on. Yep. And you want to toss it. Make sure that every single chicken wing is coated with a nice sauce. Yeah, look at that, guys. Oh my God, look at that. All right, so time to put it back in the oven just for about 5 minutes tops, and it should be good to go. Stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Please, it look good. All right, guys, so it's been 10 minutes since I added the sauce and put it back in the oven, and now it's all done. And I'm just gonna finish it off by sprinkling some parsley, freshly chopped parsley. Yeah, and that is it, guys. There you have it, our spicy garlic, ginger, honey chicken wings, all done and ready to be devoured. Yeah, I hope you found the recipe and the video interesting, and I hope you'll try it in your neck of the woods. So guys, here is our finished chicken wing dish, our garlic, ginger, honey, spicy, or our spicy garlic, ginger, honey chicken wing. Yes, all done, nice and juicy and succulent, and you can tell that it's nice and tender and crispy on the outside. Yeah, and we just served it up with some pumpkin rice, some pumpkin spinach coconut rice. Yeah, you can catch the video for that one also. And yeah, guys, that is it. All done. Can't stay with you guys, because guess why? The food are call my name. Anyway, guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV, because this is another banger. Peace.
Once again, we thank you guys for watching Yardie Belly TV. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. We are running on the way to 100,000 subscribers, and we greatly appreciate your patronage. Once again, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV says so.